So, welcome to Cassie and Pratt of Dream Big Travel Far Van Build Life. This is day 1. Okay, yes, so it's day 1 and today we're going to be starting off simple. We're going to remove the bulkhead here and we're going to clean this bad boy out. So let's get started. And it's off. Woo! As we're taking off the panels, all the wood, getting it ready to clean out. So yeah, basically just describe our layout that we've got going on here.
Okay, so we've taped out roughly how everything's gonna fit here. So you come in through the door. This is gonna be like a work surface. You come through the door, you come in, there's gonna be double seats there.
Yes. And then we're gonna...
These are gonna be double drive. These 2 seats here are gonna be taken and put here. So we'll have like a nice 4-seater table. Table will be in the middle.
Yeah. Then you're gonna come on through.
Come on through.
This will be our
work surfaces.
Yeah. For like our cooker and everything, all that will be there.
Cooker, work surfaces, sink.
Yeah, and then
this is gonna be a very small shower.
It's gonna be the world's smallest shower room.
Slash toilet.
Fine. We wanted to make everything fit, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then our bed will be where our tea is.
Off the...
Oh, we're going to raise the bed and then have storage underneath.
And then we're going to have a nice big skylight here.
Yeah. And then
a fan.
And we're thinking of doing some porthole windows on the actual back of the van as well. So that's what we think so far. We'll see how that goes. Hey everyone, so today is an exciting day. We're going to be putting in our window, which we got from Pimps. Look at our sexy new window from Pimps. So this is a sliding window and it's going to go here. So this will be our first cut. So let's hope that we don't mess this one up. Okay, so we have made the measurements out for the window after about 4 attempts checking it, and yeah, now we're going to cut it out. We're currently putting like masking tape on it to protect it, and terrified if this goes well or not. Before shot. It's out. This is the test. Oh. Will it fit? And it's fitted. window. Hey guys, so this is the end of week 1 and we've just got some seats, passenger seats to sit in the back of the van. I'll show you them, and today we're going to fit a skylight. No, not a skylight, a air fan. The skylight will be next week. So these are the seats I said about. So this is the entrance, and then these will be bolted onto here, and you can try and imagine there being a bench here and it's going to turn into another bed. So these are only 100 quid, so it's not too bad. Spruce them up a little bit. Sorted. Let's quickly test the comfort level. Ooh. Not too bad. Alright, so the final task of this week, which will be our first week with the van, is cleaning the rest of it out and getting the air fan put in. So I'm going to clean the rest of it out now, and then that will be week 1 complete. So not too bad. We've got the window in, we'll have the fan in, our skylight hasn't arrived yet so we can't do that. We'll have cleaned it out and we've got new seats, so I'd say that's a decent first week. So yeah, I thought I'd give you a last update. Our skylight hasn't arrived. We were hoping to put that in week 1, but we couldn't. And our Maxxair fan, we ended up getting a dodgy batch. So basically it doesn't fit. So we've been in touch with the team, but they can't help us till Monday. So that's kind of delayed our process a little bit. So that's hopefully going to be in next week. But thank you so much for watching week 1 of our van build, and if you want to continue on with our conversion adventures, then subscribe to our channel. So see you next week.